You search for how to buy shares of Talos Energy Inc., so this quick guide will show the basic steps. Talos Energy Inc. is an oil and gas exploration and production company listed on the NASDAQ under the ticker TALO, and this is educational content, not financial advice. To trade, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, typically by uploading an ID, and add funds before you can place a purchase. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker TALO to find Talos Energy Inc. Make sure you select the listing that trades on NASDAQ to locate the correct stock. Open the asset page to view basic company information and the price chart for TALO. Confirm the company name and ticker to ensure it is the correct stock before proceeding. To invest, click Buy, enter the amount you want to allocate, then carefully review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed at market open. And if your balance is insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add funds before final confirmation. Once executed, your Talos Energy position will appear in your portfolio view. For more details and the link to eToro, check the video description for an informational resource.